choose one, I guess you'd call it the favorite feature of the MacroFab platform and how it's made our working easier, I'd have to say the CAM and modeling data that is provided, and really the documentation control. My background is in military electronics, and documentation is everything. But really, documentation is everything, even in commercial applications. You have to have the right work instructions to do the job properly for the customer. MacroFab, really, with their platform, has created something where that's all in one place. It's accessible to us. Also, on top of that, MacroFab project managers and engineering are always available to us if we have questions or concerns. So that's really a humongous benefit that I've seen from the platform.